Hello, everyone. This is question number 28 in chapter 2. So part A, find the equation of normal to the curve y equals to 3x squared plus 8x minus 7 at point -2, 6. So let's draw the diagram, okay? Y equals to 3x squared plus 8x minus 7. Okay, just simply sketch a curve, okay, and then mark down the things that I have, okay? So from the point -2, 6, okay, we can get the tangent. Okay, we can just draw the tangent, that is a straight line passing through that point. Okay, and from the tangent, we can create the normal. Normal make 90 degrees to the tangent. Now, as I said in the previous video, this is our golden triangle. These three things we need to mark down because they are interrelated. Now, in this question, we are asked to find the equation of this normal. So to find the equation of this normal, we must have the gradient of the normal and also the point on the normal. So the point is -2, 6. Okay, so this is our target, but I do not have the gradient of normal. How do I find? So the gradient of normal is related to gradient of tangent. So we can first find the gradient of tangent. So the gradient of tangent is differentiating the y with respect to x. That is 6x plus 8. This is the gradient function. And then when x equals to -2, therefore we sub in the gradient of tangent will be -12 plus 8, we have -4. So if gradient of tangent is -4, gradient of normal will be negative of its reciprocal, so 1/4. And with that, now we can use this to find the equation of the normal. So equation of the normal, we'll take y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. So that is minus -2 plus 2. Get rid of the fraction mode. So we have 4y minus 24 equals to x plus 2. And write in general form of equation, bring this whole thing over. We have x minus 4y plus 26 equals to 0. Okay, that's it. This is the equation of the normal. And next part B, given the tangent to the curve, so we have the curve y equals to ax squared plus bx at the point P. Okay, this is P. The tangent at the point P. So let's draw the tangent. Okay, and at the point P, as I said, we mark down these three main things that will help us to solve the equation related to the gradient of tangent. Okay, it says that the tangent is perpendicular to the straight line. Okay, perpendicular to the straight line. So let's draw a perpendicular line, make 90 degrees with the tangent. And this perpendicular line passes through the point A, 4, 1, and the point B, 12, 0. Okay, and we got to find the value of A and B. So by looking at this diagram that we have just drawn, I can find the gradient of the normal. Okay, so we can find the gradient of normal. So part B, gradient of normal equals to, we use the formula y2 minus y1, 1 minus 0, over x2 minus x1, 4 minus 12. That will be 1 over -8. And therefore, the gradient of tangent will be the negative of its reciprocal. So negative of negative is positive. The reciprocal of 1/8 is 8. So we got the gradient of tangent, which is 8. So with this, our golden, inform golden triangle, all right? So using this, well, how are they related? So gradient of tangent is actually dy dx. So now we have dy dx equals to 8. So what is dy dx? We have 2ax plus b equals to 8. And this gradient, this tangent passes through point P. So when x equals to 4, So we will have 4 times 2, so 8a plus b equals to 8. All right, so I call this equation 1 because when I have 2 variables here, a and b, I must have 2 equations. So this is one of the equation. Where's another one equation? Remember, I can substitute this point into the curve. I can also substitute this point into the gradient function, right? That's why I say that they are interrelated. So now let's substitute the point P, okay, put P48 into the function, into the curve. Y equals to ax squared plus bx. So let's just put this in. When I see the y, I shall put 8. When I see the x, I replace with 4. So 4 squared got 16a plus 4b. Okay, and this equation can be divided by 4 on both sides. So we have 2 equals to 4a plus b. All right, call this equation 2. I want to eliminate the b, so I shall take equation 1 minus equation 2. So 8a minus 4a, I have 4a, b minus b, 0. And then equation 1 minus 2. So 8 minus 2, we got 6. Therefore, a equals to 6 over 4, which is 3 over 2. So we found a, and then from equation 2, okay, 4a plus b equals to 2. Simplify this. That is 6. So b equals to 2 minus 6. That is negative 4. So we found the answer for A and B. That's it for question number 28.